So now let's see how we can go ahead and add in attachments to events inside of Thunderbird. So over here you can see that I got this particular event right here, and if I were to go ahead and double click, then this is what you have. As you can see, I can go around and click on edit, and then this is the event that I have right here. So now if I were to go around over here onto the attachment section, then you can see that I don't have anything right now. That is because I don't have any attachment with this event. But if I want to go ahead and add one, then I can go around onto the attach section, and here you can see that you can go ahead and attach out a web page right here. So now what you can simply do is give a web address of the attachments. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and attach out my YouTube link right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then you can see that this is the attachment that I have right here. Similarly, you can go ahead and attach out other web addresses as well, and you can go ahead and attach out links to Google Drive and so forth, and they will be in the attachment section of the particular event. So if I were to go around and click on save and close, then this is what you have. As you can see that these files are there in the attachment. And that is how you can go ahead and add attachments to events inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.